If you've been studying non-duality, there's one really, really important thing that you need to understand. That all the really wise stuff that you hear from non-duality teachers, and there are a lot of us, you can figure it out yourself. You don't need someone else to tell you things like how to live, how to manage life, how to manage your emotions, whatever. All those things are sidelines. Those are things that a person who has figured out who they are knows. Just knows because it's obvious. You don't seem to know it because you are living inside a hole of thought. You've allowed yourself to be hypnotized by your own bullshit. I'm kind of like the crabby old non-duality teacher today. I've been doing this a long, long time, and I can hear myself do it all the time. Go through my videos and you'll see I have videos where I'm talking about happiness, and I'm talking about how to search, and I'm talking about the path, and just all sorts of stupid things that you can figure out yourself. You do not need me. As a matter of fact, it's the opposite way around. I and all of life need you. We need you awake, joining us. This is a critical time for human beings to come out of the hole of ignorance. We cannot afford to be ignorant anymore. So you can do it. Do it right now. All you have to do is just really look inside and see, who are you? What is it inside that hears? Like if you just hear sound, you're hearing sound. What is hearing that? Step back into that. Be brave. Take yourself on. Challenge yourself. You know who you are. Step fully into it. What is just effortlessly awake in you right now? What is the most effortless spot inside? What is animating your whole body? Look how animated I am. I am alive. You are alive. None of this stuff we've been told about what a human being is true. None of this stuff we've been told about what spirituality is true. It is all a lie. There is a truth that is so deep and so obvious that anyone can touch it at any moment. Don't waste any more time. Now. Did you feel that stop? Stop. What's left when you stop? Stop. There you are. That's you. Now, become it. Step fully into that.